I come back. Yo, Sly. Oh, kudwa matanda. That cheesy. Guys. I'm sorry, I'm eating white bread, which is quite bad actually. Okay, I think I'm gonna have that. Bit of Coca-Cola here, Doros. So don't blame me, guys. I'm not supposed to be drinking a lot of acid though, but guys, so I don't have a choice. Don't have a choice. I come back. Oh, girl. Okay, let me eat my breakfast. I could drink liwa, guys. Because the family me very one could drink. So I wanted to talk about Mayengani na Prince Rhangi. Prince Rhangi are performing kungwana halambile ile thembisa ambile kwi. Even I confirm because the twins titi ibuti se Prince Rhangi kuwena na Mayengani ever confirm. Aku was still friend. So that I eat fast when I'm eating. Na apple just to balance the equation. Na banana. Should I steer? No. So that confirmed for me what Prince Rhangi once said to me on the show. I once interviewed Prince Rhangi. You can check the interview here. I interviewed him. Is it here or I think it's here or one of the. I'll put it here. I asked him if he was ever gonna make a song or work with Mayengani. Prince Rhangi told me that you can check it out. What he said. What he said. Check it out there. What he said. But it confirmed a lot of things. And then this brings me to the point that I've been preaching. Point I've been preaching for years on this show. That these people, Prince Rhangi, Mayengani, they are big friends. I once said it even in my previous episode. I said it. They are big friends. Those guys are big friends. If you listen to Mayengani beef songs that he's beefing Mr. Post and Tim Shiriman, he hardly go deep when it comes to Prince Rhangi. He's very lenient when it comes to Prince Rhangi. But then when he goes hard on Mr. Post and he goes hard on Joe Shiriman. Joe Shiriman's given a lot of names, guys. For those of you who say Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani or to YouTubers, Solmakam calls out us YouTube analyst. Solmakam iri not YouTube analyst. I mean and get the mina analyst. I heard he said it to Chavi. He was talking to Chavi and said YouTube analyst. He was referring to us. So I took it and fly with it. But I'm not a YouTube analyst. I'm actually just a YouTuber. That's why Nirku didn't a blackface. Confirmation these people have realized music okay, because people say music beef, people have realized what the artist Mwina milandela music wa Xitsonga mirana ngopfu beef. And they can make a lot of money by using you, by pretending out there as if they are fighting, so that you can follow their things, so that ngoma to do, so that they can trend. That's why if you take a music wa Xitsonga hi mbilu, it will upset man, because music wa Xitsonga, most of the things that's happening in the songs, those guys are just playing with our minds. Just like Mr. Post and Ben Mayengani. Those guys are actually working together to make a lot of money by using beef, by using you guys. Yo, namakolo, and pretending as if they're fighting. Vakangalo. Kuna swo tala leswi ni swi tivaku hi Ben Mayengani. Kuna swo tala ni swi tivaku hi Mr. Post. Kuna swi tivaku hi Dr. Joshiriman. Leswi va nga swi vuli ku tingomeni ta ti beef ta vona. They just settle on one thing. Kuna hi ti stop nonsense, the 2 room, hembe, you know. That for me is not beef, it's entertainment. I've said it on this show as well. It's entertainment. They're just entertaining us. If I like beefana, I'm not serious ngopfu. Koko, mwina mtitoloveti mwina ti supporters ta music wa Xitsonga ko loko music wu ri ha beef a nandi. That's why they will write on top of it. Ben Mayengani, Prince Rangani, they're like this. Mr. Post, Ben Mayengani, they're like this. Joshiriman, Ben Mayengani, they're like this. They have to use that thing to sell their albums. I'm fast. Tamati sauce musla. If we listen to We Are Gaza, or is it We Are Gaza? Ne? The latest single is Dr. Joshiriman. He's also now riding on the beef thing, but acting as the guy who want to unite. You know, even Mambaulele is now putting some voice there, which is quite interesting. First time I hear Mambaulele on a song, a Kavla of Lela. You know, these people have to make money. They have to use the beef thing. They have to ride on top of it. Guys, let's be honest. There are so many things that these guys could be beefing each other about, but they're not going there. If it was really beef, they would be talking about those things that they are not referring to in their beef songs. Why? So clearly to me, it tells me, Kuri, there is no beef Kashtonga. It's entertainment. They're entertaining us because you know I run that beef. If you check on YouTube right now, the YouTube analyst Sol Makam, the posting of the video kumbehani to long of Ben Mayengani, kumbe Mr. Post, me included as a YouTube so-called. I'm not a YouTube analyst, but I'm a YouTuber. The reason is because mina ngakuvona nje mina ngakuvona swa Ben Mayengani, Mr. Post, Ben Mayengani, Mr. Post. Loko swa lofu kan posta mfuno matsuvuki la. Minge voni mina. Ni ka the video tota nga ti endla ti vulavula hi ti artist tin'wana ti nga ri is that Ben Mayengani, Prince Rangani or Mr. Post or Joshiriman. You guys don't watch because you are used to beef. Mira na ku vona loko vanhu va khavalwa. If you look at Facebook, for example, Facebook, you could jela kahle ku ri vanhu va rhandza ngopfu loko vanhu va ri kulweni. Go there to talk, hey, ka namba ka chilase. Me hi heleketene. Vanhu va la ku mention ka status vanhu va kha va holova because why? La ku holova kona vanhu va rhandza swona. People like va rhandza ngopfu ku vona swilo. So ninge hate cook le guys, minga chavi. Not the 3 slice. The 2. Mas não churri. Mr. Post has to act as if it's a savage. Ben Mayengani acting is savage as well. You know, because and Dr. Josh Roman has to act as if Vienna Iranda unite. But behind the scenes, these guys are working together. Because Ben Mayengani waya Pitori, Ben Mayengani na Rangani are friends, Mr. Post na Prince na Ben Mayengani are friends. So, but they are using you guys to generate, to sell their albums, because you guys, you like beef. Milawala kungana hoyo inyana. Loko kuri la peaceful versus vo man flow you ya umesa. If ke entla interview kumshani ndi poster something about man flow, you won't watch. Kumshani unuvula something else, man. Like another artist. Who's the artist that I can talk about? I just Steve. There's so many artists out there. That's why I'm telling you, kuboni wana tolo ku that video tato mara ngwena mbuni. Mila beef. I'm joking, guys. I honestly do that. Not clever. Itanda na I breakfast this one, guys. If so one this. This is poverty. Poverty for this. Loko MANDLA Gingirikani win. Hey, mtatsa kanjani? Mtavona mde. Hey. Mtavona video kuita kui. I love doing that. I love Nkanelo. Guys, I just want to say, guys, don't go about beef. I said it before, I'm repeating it again. You are being used because you like beef. But I'm not going to the beef. Look, so I'm born. You want to shut the beef inside, so they will use you. But I'm putting this, hey, but I'm putting this. Me wanna come push na stage backstage, kuna chum. Those guys are just fooling you guys. You are being fooled. Why do they even have to go to radio and talk about those things? Hey, MANDLA Gingirikani, those guys are not fighting, guys. And they can go punta na mga talusa hemina. Titi, hemina mbadivai, hemina mlusa kutinkambi, hemina mlusa tukambi jevo punta na kon. Guys, look ngola bona shine matsika. That's boy. So they must. I'm boilil. I touch color mon. You don't have to watch my videos. So another thing I want to say is the fact that people think YouTubers are supposed to be they must not take sides, man. There's a word for it. My friend Vanga be biased. Talk about how you are biased. You hate Ben Mayengani, you hate Mr. Post, you hate Tim Shirima, you know. You hate Dr. Thomas Chauke. You hate so much Joes. Guys, if you want balanced views, I'm not doing justice to this platform right now because I'm trying to balance, right? But honestly speaking, this platform seeks for people to be honest and not try to give a balanced view. This platform, YouTube, is for people to come here and be honest. Just like now I'm having breakfast and I'm showing you that what I'm eating. I'm being honest to you. Go anyang spare and I know that's so marisa. It na tanda na cheese. Na tomato sauce na mayonnaise na kuna inla. So I'm just showing you this platform needs this. It doesn't need like polished things. No. That's why you find that this video will be watched more than most of my videos because of what I did right now. You have to be real, honest. And YouTubers have to be honest with their opinions. But they have to be fair, but you must be honest. So when I'm honest, it's perceived as if I'm taking a side. I don't understand. My perception of things that I see It cannot be the same as yours. That's why when we have balanced views, all of everything is equal. It can't be. That's not how it is. That's not how it is. We have to be different. We have to differ, and we have to really be different for life to be nice. If we're not different, then life is boring. Then there's no reason to live. But we need to learn to exist in our differences. That is the key. If we can overcome that, learn to live with each other, even though we differ with opinions. We don't have to come here to get the line and all these things. Tonga people, we can do better. People of YouTube, we can do better. I'm sorry, I'm a little, like Nialwa. Nilwa Tombo. I can't tell. Okay. You see, that's what YouTube wants. Doesn't want me to be honest. Doesn't want me to be balanced. I must not try to. I must be giving you my honest opinion. It can be an opinion that is balanced, but it's my opinion. Right now, I'm saying, guys, Tonga. Honestly speaking, there's no beef. They're not beefing. Those guys are just using you. It's my opinion. Someone will say, you're lying. There is beef. Prove it to me. Prove it. Beef. 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 Guys, come on. Beef didn't buy a 2-pack na BIG, baba. That was personal. I spoke about that beef before. You can check it here. Not really in deep, but I just made reference to it. I can't repeat what I said. Tonga musicians, there's no beef there. People just want to trend, they want to sell CDs, they want to sell albums using you. The same thing that AK and Casper and Yoves are doing. And they have to ride on it. They must not be seen as if they are lovey-dovey with each other, even though behind the scenes they do talk. But they won't show it to you. Because if they do that, it kills their market. They don't want me to say these kind of things. If I say these kind of things, that's why the artists are ranting, because when I say these kind of things, they don't like it. Ni on a business ravona. Nindla kumwina mfuleka mehlo. Minga holobi maka musicians. Minga dani maka the artist guys. No. Actually, I wish leswi nga vula Dr. Joshua vuya maswaku vuya Gaza. Hi tlhela ka festival ku nga holoviwi. I wish. Because you guys, you take music personally too much. These guys are friends. Va oxa tinyama la ka mavunda la. Va dya swin'we vanhu lava oxa tinyama. Mi nga ri kona ka mi nga va voni. Byela hina va MANDLA Gingirikani. Ni hetse xikho xa mina ni ta vona guys ka upload later. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Mi nga titimeli kwalani. Ha ha ha.